Hey, 8th grade. So today we're going to talk about the general properties of waves. And I just took this title and I typed it into my search engine, and I found a website on 8th grade science that talks about wave properties. And so when clicking on this website, we have frequency, amplitude, wavelength, and speed are going to be four properties that all waves, longitudinal or transverse waves, have in common. So I might even copy this part right here, since it has all four listed there, and paste it into my text box. And then I'll make sure that I add quotation marks. And I'll make sure to add my citation, which is number 4. And I can go ahead and just do that now. Copy the web address and add it to my works cited section. Coming back here, I want to go into some details, and that's what I'm going to be looking for on your side as well. So coming over here, I'll highlight this, I'll format it quickly. And I want to go ahead and get some of these details in here. How many waves pass a point in a certain amount of time is the frequency. And my quotation marks, and cite my evidence. And let's see. Amplitude is a measure of distance between the line through the middle of the wave and the crest or the trough. Wavelength is the measure of distance from one crest on one wave to the crest of the next wave. And finally, speed. Just like speed for any object is the measure of distance a wave travels over the amount of time. And I can just highlight a piece of my first sentence and use the paint format to get these sentences. The right format. And I want to make a little bit of room for a picture here. So going back to my search engine where I first asked the question, what are the properties of waves? I can come over to images. And looking through here, they have wave properties of light, wave properties of sound. You can get really detailed in this. I think I'm just going to get pretty general. It's hard. There's so many of them that look really good. I like this one. It has the symbol, it tells the definition, it has a lot of the stuff that's there, it tells how they're measured. So I'm going to copy this image in the last few seconds. I'm going to paste it in. And then just like you would for your information, make sure that you have your text box down at the bottom and you cite your evidence down below. I'll show you a picture of my finished slide since we ran out of time. If you have any questions, please email me.